guess the farm animals with Novakid. What's that? 3, 2, 1. It's a dog. You're doing great. Repeat after me. Dog. What's that? 3, 2, 1. It's a horse. Great job. Repeat after me. Horse. What's that? 3, 2, 1. It's a cat. Great job. Repeat after me. Cat. What's that? 3, 2, 1. It's a cow. Great job. You're doing amazing. Repeat after me. Cow. What's that? 3, 2, 1. That's a duck. Wow, you're really good at this. Repeat after me. Duck. What's that? 3, 2, 1. That's a rabbit. Great job. Repeat after me. Rabbit. What's that? 3, 2, 1. That's a sheep. You're doing amazing. Repeat after me. Sheep. What's that? 3, 2, 1. That's a mouse. Great job. Repeat after me. Mouse. What's that? 3, 2, 1. That's a goose. You're really good at this. Repeat after me. Goose. What's that? 3, 2, 1. That's a goat. Great job. Repeat after me. Goat. What's that? 3, 2, 1. That's a turkey. Great job. Repeat after me. Turkey. What's that? 3, 2, 1. That's a bull. Great job. Repeat after me. Bull. Like, subscribe, and play again.